Hey guys, I hope everyone's doing good. Today's video is going to be a little special because I'm going to do a product review, which are not shoes. It's about a company called SneakersDen, and they specialize in selling sneaker crates. So here's the quick backstory. I was looking for a few sneaker crates, to display my shoes and especially those shoes which I don't really have a limited edition box or a regular box maybe. I just wanted a normal sneaker crate, which does the job of simply displaying my shoes and provides a bit of protection. So I was going through Instagram, Google, and stuff like that, and I was looking for, a regular sneaker crate. I did come across a lot of things, a lot of brands which are, selling sneaker crates in the Indian market. But then I came across this company called SneakersDen. It just popped up onto my Instagram feed. And when I started doing a bit of research, I really liked what these guys were doing. Um, you know, uh, they have a bunch of options on their website. The side door opening version, the front door opening version, the transparent ones, and a bunch of other things. I'll be sharing their, websites link in the description down below. And yeah, so I just got in touch with the company because I was a bit curious if my size would fit into the box because my shoes are about UK 11 or a UK 12, which translates to UK 12 or 13. It depends on the size and it depends on the model of the shoe which I'm wearing. So it's usually between UK 11 or UK 12. I reached out to the company and they were nice enough to send me these two boxes. They wanted my opinion, they wanted my review on how the product looks in hand and all those sorts of things. So further in the video, I'm going to discuss about what I really liked about the product and a few other things which I've noticed about these crates. So let's get into it. Okay, so let's get into the structure and the build quality of the product. These are my Vans new school shoes. I've done a review about these. You can check out my channel. See, the build quality is actually really nice. And yeah, if you see the door opening, they're magnetic like all the regular crates. Pretty solid, build structure. The reason I fit these two shoes into the crates, I'll tell you the reason in just a bit. So these are the Nike SB Blazers. These are high tops, and as you can see, mine is a UK 11 and they fit perfectly into the crates. These are my everyday regular beaters. I've worn them a ton of times. They've really been used, really badly in the past 3 to 4 years. And this sneaker crate actually does a really good job of holding it in place. I'll be ordering a few more from their website soon. And yeah, so this was a quick review of the product and a few more other, important things regarding the product before I end the video. These products are actually very budget friendly when you compare them to a few other sneaker rates on the market. If you buy them in bulk, they're a lot more budget friendly compared to the other ones in the market. The build quality is really nice. And, I think the owners or the people who own the company were pretty nice enough to send me a product and ask me for my opinion. I really like them and I really think they're doing a good job. I'll be including all their details in the description box down below, and I'll be reviewing a few other products from their website pretty soon. So, if you guys have any other questions regarding the crates, please mention them in the comment box down below. Thank you.